This is the shelter that has been built during, like in late 40s or in early 50s. So this is how the anti-air raid shelters looked like in Soviet Union. And basically, if there would Third World War happen, like local people would live in these conditions. And this shelter is for more or less like 150 200 people, but in this district, like they're living over more than 6,000 people. Most of them, they're gypsies. So basically, yeah, now you can see how the local authorities right now, they look after local population. Like this is all what they got. So this is how local authorities prepared the shelter for people who are living in this area. This is how it looks like. As you can see, there is mud, there is rubbish, nothing has been done. There is absolutely nothing. So this is where local authorities, this is how local authorities keep the order in this shelter. And like gypsies, they stolen absolutely everything. So this is how toilets look like in an anti-air bombing shelter. So people had to go here if they wanted to pee or to do something else. So this was a generator for ventilation, and basically, as you can see, local gypsies, they have already stolen everything. So at the beginning of the war, people tried to make this shelter as more as possible comfortable for people, but as you can see right now, everything was stolen, so ventilation is not working anymore. So in these conditions, people had to stay during the bombings, and as you can see, local authorities, they didn't do absolutely nothing to improve the situation of the shelter. As you can see, this is how the exit looks like from the shelter. It has been absolutely cleaned 1 year ago from locals, and in 1 year it looks already like this.